Hi everyone, me Helene back again for a quick few minutes for a second chance drawing on the anniversary giveaway because the winner Tammy did not contact me. So here we go again. This is gonna be it, second chance and done. So I hope whoever it is that gets drawn by the random comment picker will please get in touch with me. I hope you're watching, because in order to receive the goodies and win, you have to watch. So whatever, it takes. I mentioned before, I know there are a lot of other YouTubers, content creators out there who do giveaways, and it's a lot to keep track of and it's easy to forget. So maybe just mark it on your calendar, set a little reminder, or whatever the case may be, because I'm going to give a window of time for you to contact me. And if I don't hear from you by then, I am sorry. And it's always sad, I do the drawing and then someone doesn't contact me. So I hope you're out there and I hope you all watching my videos. Okay, so just a quick reminder, it's for the 3 skeins, 254 yards each, of the Yarn Bee Brushworks, which is 80 acrylic, 20 alpaca, number 3 weight. Very soft, very nice. Make something lovely with that. And if you triple them up, you might very well be able to make the cowl that I showed you where I used the button. And so here you get a lovely kind of a royally purple button to go with that. It's starting to show up a little bit darker than it is. That's a little better because of the ever-changing light, but it is a good size. It's 2 inches, 51 millimeters, and it's coconut shell. It's enameled on the front. And then the yarn is a lifestyle to keep track of your projects, perhaps information, the balls, future projects. As you watch YouTube videos or see things in catalogs, you can write down the type of yarn that you want to use or already have one in project and all the other specs and info that goes with. All right, and then this cute weaving loom that comes with all the tools that you need. Yarn is not included, and I picked that up. I thought it was kind of maybe a fun, cute, unique project, something you could make pretty wall hanging with your scrap yarn. Just have fun, get creative. And then just a little assortment of teas, the organic baked cinnamon apple, which I recommend putting either flavored or regular creamer. It might need a little bit of sweetener in that one. And then this one that I don't personally think needs anything is the organic, the caffeine-free, sweet and spicy. It's just really, if you like that little bit of kick of spice, it's just so good. With cinnamon and ginger and orange and those types of just really warming, cozy kind of flavors. All right, so that is it for these goodies. I'm going to go to my computer so we can pick one person, and then you will have another week from today to contact me, and my contact info will be below. All right, and then all the rules and everything were in the original video, so if you need a reminder on that, you can go back to it. And if you're new to my channel and didn't get a chance to enter in this one, don't worry about that, because I have more fun things down the road for everyone. All right, well, take care, everybody. Good to see you virtually. I picture you all out there every time. Thanks again for tuning in. See you again next time. All right, bye for now. Okay, here we go. See if I can do it this time without wiggling all over the place. All right, I have entered the link to the original giveaway video here, filtering out duplicate users. So like if you've left more than one comment, that way it's just one entry for everyone, and also filtering out replies to comments. So 1 entry per person, so it's fair and square across the board. All right, you ready? Here we go. Collecting all the comments and start. Oh, 64 unique comments. All right, you ready? Sorry, scooch you over here. And start the drawing. All right, hold your breath, and the winner is Loretta and Blaine. Homemade with Love by Loretta and Blaine. Congratulations! I hope I hear from you. Happy 2-year anniversary. Those look yummy. I love crocheting cardigans and just learned to knit a hat. Ooh, how cool. I was just looking at a hat pattern the other day, and that is on my hit list to do also. And I want this to be my year of garments, so we'll see how far I get, because my question was, what do you like crocheting or knitting in the cooler months? All right, I hope you're out there. Loretta and Blaine, Homemade with Love. Get in touch with me, please. All right, again, take care. All you wonderful yarny friends and family out there, and I will see you next time.